What is critical illness cancer coverage? Well, it's simple. You'll receive a cash benefit should you be diagnosed with a serious illness or condition, such as a heart attack, stroke, coronary artery disease, or cancer. So, for example, let's say you are diagnosed with having a heart attack. Humana will send a cash benefit right to you. These plans can assist you with a variety of expenses so you can focus on getting better. You can use the benefits however you want to help pay medical bills or those everyday living expenses such as housing, car payments, utility bills, childcare, groceries, credit card bills, and even lost time from work. Plus, you can pay the affordable premiums through payroll deduction. A Humana Critical Illness Cancer Plan can help you stay ahead of those regular bills that don't stop while you're recovering from a serious illness.